Good morning, students. So last class we have discussed about the chapter similar triangles. So what we have learned, if two triangles are given, we have to check whether it is similar or not. So we have learned one condition, how to check it is similar or not. If two triangles are given, if one is a smaller, one is a larger, in that smaller triangle and the larger triangle, by looking only you have to say whether it is similar or not. So first condition we have studied that if all the angles are equal, then the sides will be scaled by same factor. Scale by same factor means we are multiplying with the same number everywhere. Means from the smaller triangle, if we consider each side will be multiplying by the same number everywhere, so that you can get the larger triangle. But they are not equal. But if it is sides are scaled by same factor, means it will be similar. So if we are multiplying by the same number, we can say those two triangles are similar triangles. So that was the first condition we have learned, that is if all the angles are equal, then the sides are scaled by same factor. Now we are going to see the second condition, sides and angles. If the sides of the two triangles are scaled by same factor, directly if sides of the triangles are scaled by same factor, then their angles will be same. The angles will be same. So for example, given two triangles given here, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter. This is a large one, and smaller one given here, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Now you have to see whether the sides are scaled by same factor. If the sides of two triangles are scaled by same factor, then their angles also same. Now we have to check here 2 centimeter given, and see here 4 centimeter. So it is doubled here, multiplied by 2. Here 3 centimeter given, here becomes 6 multiplied by 2. Here you multiply 2, here so you got 6. Now 4, 8, you multiply by 2. So everywhere you multiplying there 2. So scale factor is how much here? 2. Everywhere the scale factor is 2. So that means if the sides are scaled by same factor, we can say their angles will be same. For example, 40 degree you have 40 degrees opposite to what you have 6. So that 6 where it is changes had come, that is 3 into 2 6, no. So that opposite will be 40. Your 40, it will be 40. And same way 4, 2 into 2 became 4. So that opposite 60. So that number 2 opposite will be 60 degree automatically. 8 became how you got 8, it is 4 into 2. So opposite of that you got 80. So opposite of this will be 80. That is the thing explaining. Next problem, page number 107. First question, drawings, important, okay. So draw a triangle of angles the same as those of triangle shown and sides scale by 1 by 4. So you can see one triangle given ABC, you can give the name anything, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter given, and they told what? Draw triangle of angles. Another triangle you have to draw same as those, same angle should be the same, okay. Whatever here you have the angle, the same should be there, but we don't know what is the angle. That is, let it be. And what they told, side scale by 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 1 by 4. This is the one. Side scale by 1 by 4. If I say side scale by 2 centimeter. Side scale by 2 centimeter means 8 into 2. It will be 16. So instead of this like 8 centimeter, you have to take 16 centimeter. 16 into 2, how much? 12. So instead of this 12, 4 into 2, how much? 8. Instead of 4, 8 you have to take. But here, sides are scaled by 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means when you do the calculation, 1 into 4, 4, 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 into 4, okay, 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4, that will be 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. So this much is scaled by the sides, okay. So that is the calculation. So before drawing, you have to do all the calculation. AB what will be, BC what is, and AC is what we are getting. You have to see. So AB is equal to side scale by 1 by 4. AB is equal to 8 into scale by how much? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So 8 into 1 by 4. How to write? 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4. That is 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4. So 8 into 4 ones are 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. You will get 8 5 is 40, 40 by 4, 10 centimeter. So AB, that is 10 centimeter you have to take. Instead of 8, 10 you have to take. Now BC calculation. 6 into the same 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4. You will get 5 by 4. No, same I am going to write here. 5 by 4. 6 5 is 30 by 4. When you do the calculation, 30 by 4, 7s are 28. 2 reminder, can't divide, so put a point 0 here. 5s are 20, you will get 7.5. So instead of BC 6 centimeter, you have to take 7.5. Now AC 4 into same 5 by 4, 4 cancels, 5 centimeter you get. Now this is the numbers you are going to take. Now AB 8 centimeter, instead of that AB how much you got? 10 centimeter. So draw a line 10 centimeter using your scale. Draw a line 10 centimeter using your scale. Now AB over. Now BC how much it was? 6. BC how much you got? 6 into 5 by 4 you got 7.5. Take compass 7.5 arc you have to take. In your compass 7.5 arc you have to take. So somewhat here it will get. Okay, 7.5 arc. Next BC 7.5 over. Next AC how much? 4. No, you don't take 4, 5 you have to take. So keep your compass here 5 centimeter take it, and compass 5 you have to do here. Now join that. So this will be 7.5, this will be 5 centimeters. So ABC. So this is your new triangle. You have to try with using the scale and pencil. Second problem, same page number. You can see one quadrilateral here. That is roughly up drawn here. 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and one diagonal given 5 centimeter. Now draw quadrilateral with the angles same as those of this. So angle should be same. Angle should be same. And side scale by 1.5. Side scale by 1.5. So side scale by this much means what you have to do? This number into that number means 6 into 1.5, 3 into 1.5, 2 into 1.5, 4 into 1.5, 5 into 1.5. And after that, what is the answer getting? You have to see. So using that answer, you have to draw the figure. Okay. So that like that, you will get same angles you will get. Okay. Now we'll see, but first A, B, C, D, you can give the name. Now AB 6 into 1.5 means 6 into 1 by 2. So 6 into 1 by 2 is how much? 1.5 means 1 into 2 plus 1. 1 into 2 like this. 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. So 1.5 means it is actually 3 by 2. So 6 into 3 by 2, 18 by 2, 9 centimeter. So instead of 6, you have to take 9. Now BC 3 into that 3 by 2. 3 into 3 by 2, 9 by 2, 4.5. AC is how much? AC means diagonal. Diagonal also you have to change. Then only angle will be same. Now 5 into 3 by 2, you will get 15 by 2, 7.5. So instead of 5, you have to take 7.5. DC, instead of DC 2, instead of 2, you have to take 3 centimeter. 2 into 3 by 2, you will get 3. Now next AD, 4 centimeter you have. When you multiply 3 by 2, you are getting 6 centimeter. So this much you have to do with the compass. Now first AB how much? 6 it was, but when you calculated, you got 9 centimeter. So you have to take 9 centimeter here. So keep your scale and take 9 centimeter. Then you have to draw the quadrilateral. Okay, angle not given. For that, what you have to do? BC take. This BC you have to take. BC 3 should not take. BC how much you got? 4.5 you took. You got. Now that 4.5 just take in your compass. 4.5. So somewhat here you will get. Somewhat here you will get 4.5. After that, should not go for DC. Okay, should not go for AD. After BC, what you have to do? Diagonal given, no, that you have to take. AC diagonal you have to take. AC diagonal 5 it was given. So that is will be changed into AC how much you will get? 7.5. So 7.5 you have to take it in a compass from A like this. 7.5 you will get somewhere here. So you are getting this one as AB here, ABC, you can get C. So that 3 BC changed into 4.5. Now AC changed into 7.5. So this is 7.5. So that much over. Now the upper one remaining, DC and AD. DC now take. DC how much? It was 2, but when it changed, you got 3. Now DC you have to start from here. DC 3 centimeter. You have to take it in a compass. From here 3 centimeter. From here 3, and AD how much? It was 4. 4 changed into 6. So from here A 6 you have to take like this. Like this you will get. Now this 2 became 3. Here 2 became 3 like this. Okay. Now 4 became 6. So A, B, C, D. Here, like this. This is your quadrilateral. This is the last topic, that is third way. If two triangles are given, how we can say it is similar or not? That is using the third way. So still we have to learn the two things, that is two condition we are using to check out whether it is similar or not. First one, what is that? This having the same angle. If two triangles you have, if three angles also same, one is bigger, one is smaller, the triangles, but the angles are same, means we can say it is a similar triangles. Second condition is what? Having sides scaled by same factor. If the two triangles are given smaller and larger, if the sides are scaled by same factor, that means from the smaller to the larger, if all the sides are multiplied by the same number to the larger, then we can say it is a similar triangle. Now we are going to see the third way. Third way is here. Having two sides scaled by same factor and angle between them equal, which means two sides will be giving larger and smaller triangle. Like the example, larger and smaller triangle you have. Two sides are scaled by same factor and angle between them equal. Angle between them will be equal. Here 60 degree, 60 degree. Now we'll see this side 4 centimeter became 8 and 2 centimeter became 4. What happens here? Here you multiplied by 2. You got 8. Here also you multiplied by 2. You got 4. Not only 2, any number, but the number which you multiplied are same. So that is the meaning here. Having two sides scaled by same factor, then angle between them equal, then we can say these two are similar. This is the third condition. So these are the main three conditions you should remember. On page number 111, you have a first question. You can see the diagram on the board. What is the question? We'll see. The picture shows two circles. You can see the two circles with the same center. Then the two triangles formed by joining the center to the points of intersection of the circles with two radii of the larger circle. How? From the same center you have drawn one small circle and the large circle, and you have drawn a radius here and here, and when you join one line you got one triangle here. In the same way, for the large triangles, through the same radius only you are drawing another radius. You can see the another radius here, larger radius. So when you join that, you are getting another triangle. Small triangle here, the large triangle here. So what is the question? Prove that these triangles are similar. Prove that these triangles are similar. So you can give the name for that. O, you can give center A, B, P, Q. So that you will get a triangle OAB and a triangle OPQ. One smaller, one larger triangle you have. So you have to prove what? These two triangles are similar. So when you start writing, you have to write like this. We have to prove that triangle OAB and triangle OPQ are similar. That is the first thing you have to write here. You have to prove that triangle OAB and OPQ are similar. So we have learned three conditions. How the triangles will be similar. First condition what? If all the three angles are equal, we can say these two triangles are similar. Second condition is what? If all the three sides are scaled by same factor, then they are similar. What is the third condition? If the two sides are scaled by same factor and angle between them are equal, then it is similar. So any one of the condition, whether it is you can see here or not, you have to see. That is a proof we have to do. So now here, what are the things equal we have to see here? OA is the radius, OB is the radius. Then it will be equal, no? In the triangle OAB, OA and OB will be equal. So you got, no, in the triangle two sides are equal. Two sides are equal here. So I can say OA is equal to OB because they are radius. They will be equal. Now if you see take the another triangle OPQ, in that OP is the radius of the large triangle. OQ is the radius of the large triangle. OP and OQ are equal, no? Because they are radius. So I can write OP is equal to OQ. They are radius. Now what you got? OA, OB. Two sides are equal. In another triangle, OP and OQ. They are equal. And what about the angle? Angle O. Angle O you can see for the first triangle, and the same angle O you can see for the large triangle also. So that means O is common to both the triangles. So that means what? Angle O is whatever angle O will be equal for both the triangles. So that means angle O is common to both the triangles. So what you can say here, it is the third condition. If two sides are scaled by same factor, two sides OA, OB, OP, OQ, same factor, and angle between them are equal. Angle between these two sides are O. Angle between these two large sides also O. They are equal. Then triangle OAB and OPQ are similar. Okay students, we are going to see now 8th chapter polynomial, that is actually your part 2 textbook. So the starting chapter is polynomial. So we are going to see what you mean by a polynomial. So it is already you know, but the name is new for you. That is algebra. You have learned algebra. Algebra means what? We are making an equation using a variables x, y, z and all. So using equation we are finding the unknown things and all. So same way that all comes under polynomial. So general name we can say it as polynomial. So it is nothing but algebra itself. So for example, if we take one algebra equation 4x plus 5y minus z, an equation I can take. So this is example 4x plus 5y minus z. So in this many things we are going to see. First we are going to see about the terms. What are the terms in this equation? So I can say terms will be, first term will be 4x. What is that? First term will be 4x. Then what is the next term? You have 5y. 4x first term, comma, second term is what? 5y. And what is the third term? It is a minus z. So positive, sign also you have to write. Terms, what are the terms you have? That is 4x first term, second term 5y, third term minus z you have. Now, new term you are going to see now, coefficients. Coefficients means, I want to say coefficients of x is what? In this equation, using this equation, I want to say coefficients of x is what? So coefficient of x is means, in this equation, where is your x? X here. Along with x, what number you have? 4. That is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is what? Along with x, whatever number you have, that you have to write. That is the coefficient of x. So here it is 4. Now, coefficient of y is what? Coefficient of y is what? 5. So that is 5. Now, coefficient of z is what? Coefficient of z is, here no number you have, but you have to understand there is 1 always. There is no number, but it is 1z actually, 1z. And also sign you have to put, what is it is? Minus 1. So coefficient of z is minus 1. Coefficient of x is 4. Along with x you have 4. Coefficient of y, along with y you have 5. Coefficient of z is, along with z you have minus 1. So minus also you have to put. So these are the terms and coefficients. Move on to the problem, page number 123. You can see one question. First question, in rectangle with one side 1 centimeter shorter than the other, take the shorter side as x centimeter. So in a rectangle you have one side 1 centimeter shorter than the other. One side is 1 centimeter shorter. One side is 1 centimeter shorter than the other. So shorter side you have to take it as x. Shorter side you have to take it as x, so that, so this will be 1 centimeter shorter than the other, they told no. So what will be this one? It will be x plus 1. Shorter side you have to take it as x, and they told one side 1 centimeter shorter than the other. So if this is x, that will be more, plus 1, x plus 1. So this is the way. Now first question, taking their perimeter as p of x. So I am going to take their perimeter as p of x. P for perimeter, okay? P of x, perimeter. Write the relation between p of x and x as an equation. So you have to write the relation between perimeter and x. X is what? That is your one side, shorter side. And p of x is what? Your perimeter. So that is relation you have to do. You don't have to do anything. Just write perimeter, p of x. What is the formula for perimeter? It is 2 into length plus breadth. So you need to know the formula here. Perimeter of a rectangle will be 2 into length plus breadth. So same, I am going to write here, p of x is equal to 2 into, what is your length? X plus 1. X plus 1. What is your breadth? Length x plus 1. Breadth which one? X. Now what happens? P of x is equal to 2 into, how many x you have? 2x. So 2 into 2x plus 1. Same alphabets you have to add. The natural number separately you have to do. 2x plus 1. So now what you have to do? This you have to multiply inside. This into this, and the second number you have to multiply. P of x is equal to 2 into 2x. It is 4x. Plus 2 into 1, 2. So this is the relation. That is what they told, taking their perimeter as p of x. Write the relation between p of x and x as an equation. So x is a breadth. So perimeter formula you have to put, and 2 into length plus breadth, that you substitute and you got the equation p of x is equal to 4x plus 2. So that perimeter is equal to 4 times the breadth plus 2. That is the relation. The second sub question, from same question, second sub question. Taking their area, before it was perimeter, now it is area as a of x square centimeter. Write the relation between a of x and x as an equation. So before it was perimeter, now it is area. So here which formula to use? Area formula to use. So before it was p of x, now it is a of x. So a of x is equal to, what is the area formula? Length into breadth. Now a of x is equal to, what is your length? Length x plus 1 into breadth x. So in this case, what you have to do? You have to multiply inside first number and the second number. So a of x is equal to x into x square plus 1 into x is x. So this is the equation. What they do, area and the x relation you have to do. Area formula you have to put length into breadth, and x is a shorter and x plus 1 is a larger. Length into breadth. Length is this, breadth is this. When you multiply, you will get x square plus x. Third sub question you have. Calculate p of 1, p of 2, p of 3, p of 4 and p of 5. So what is this p of 1, p of 2, p of 3 and all? We have just now we have found that perimeter relation. Perimeter you got p of x is equal to 4x plus 2. So that you have to take first. P of 1 means that number you have to put for that. That perimeter we found p of x equal to 4x plus 2. For that, instead of x is there, no? Instead of x you have to put this number. For example, first one, p of 1. So instead of x I have put 1 here. So same way here, instead of x I have to put 1. So 4 into x, how much here? 1. 4 into 1 plus 2. What is that? 4 into 1, 4 plus 2, you will get 6. Got no? P of 1 is 6. Now next p of 2. P of 2 is equal to, x became 2 now. So 4 into x, how much here? 2 plus 2. That is 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. Next p of 3. So 4 into x, x became 3 now plus 2. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. Now p of 4, 4 4s are, x became 4, so 4 into 4 plus 2, 16 plus 2, it becomes 18. Last, p of 5 is equal to, so x became 5 now, so 4 into 5 plus 2, 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. So this is the way. So whenever p of 1, p of 2, p of 3, whatever number they give, if it is minus also, you have to put that x, instead of that x, you have to put that value and you have to substitute and find out the answer. Subquestion, fourth subquestion, calculate a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4 and a of 5. Similarly, we have done before, perimeter p of x. Now it is a of 1, a of 2. What was the formula for a of x? That is area formula. A of x is equal to x square plus x. So for that we have to put all these numbers. So first one, a of 1 is equal to, so instead of x you have to put 1. X square plus x, so 2 x's are there here. So instead of x, everywhere you have to put 1. So x square, 1 square plus x how much here? 1. So like that 2x it will change. 1 square is 1 plus 1 is 2. Now a of 2 it becomes, so x became 2 now. 2 square plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. A of 3, 3 square plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12. A of 4, 4 square plus 4. 4 square means 4 4s are 16 plus 4, 20. A of 5, last, a of 5 is equal to 5 square plus 5. 5 square is 25 plus 5. 25 plus 5 is 30. So this is the way. So whenever the number you have to substitute for the x, wherever you have x, there all you have to substitute and find out the value.